The AI gold rush, ChatGPT grabbed every headline, but the one actually making money was Nvidia, selling GPUs underneath it all. The real question isn't which company, it's which layer earns. There are hundreds of AI startups, but they all fall into three layers. First, the pick and shovel layer, infrastructure selling chips and cloud, Nvidia, Broadcom, CoreWeave. Second, the model layer building the AI brains like ChatGPT, OpenAI, Anthropic, xAI. Third, the application layer, the apps we actually use, Cursor, Perplexity, Palantir. And the moment you draw the map, one thing jumps out. The pick and shovel layer is mostly public and viable, while the brain layer is mostly private and out of reach. The three layers build their moats from completely different materials. Infrastructure's real moat isn't the chip, it's CUDA, the software ecosystem the entire world's AI code is built on, which money and time alone can't overcome. The model layer's moat is compute scale and talent, but in 2025 China's DeepSeek caught up at a fraction of the cost, proving even brains can become commoditized. The app layer's moat is product and workflow lock-in, the shallowest, quick to build and quick to lose. The deeper the layer, the harder the moat. Follow the money. Users pay the app pays the model company an API fee, and the model company pays Nvidia for compute. So cash pools at the very bottom, the infrastructure layer, while the headline-grabbing model companies run at a loss paying for it. The gold diggers lose money, the pick sellers profit. And here's the twist versus our space series, the layer that earns most reliably is the one you can buy, while the brain giants you'd most want are private and out of reach. Each layer breaks down differently. Infrastructure faces the risk of overbuilding, assume too much future demand, pour it into data centers, and the capacity sits idle. Models face burn and commoditization, keep burning cash until funding dries up, or watch someone like DeepSeek undercut you until prices race towards zero. Apps face evaporation, the ground you stand on can be taken when your own supplier, the model company, ships the same app. The key, each layer's greatest strength is also its greatest risk. Plot the three layers on the S-curve, infrastructure is furthest along, already past the mainstream stage and profitable. Models sit right in the chasm, with both the biggest prize and the biggest fall risk. Apps climb fast but are the least stable. The real insight, though, isn't the static position, it's the motion. Right now value pools at the bottom, in infrastructure, but if brains become commonplace, value could rise to the app layer at the point of contact. The open question, will the internet's history, where the apps out-earned the pipes beneath them, repeat? The verdict here isn't a stock pick, it's three measuring sticks. 1. The most certain money right now is the infrastructure layer at the bottom, but it's already expensive. 2. The biggest prize sits in the model brains, but they're private and unbuyable, so the path is indirect exposure through public proxies like Microsoft, Amazon, and Nvidia. 3. Future value may rise to the app layer, but it's the least stable. In the end, investing in AI is an empty phrase, first decide which layer, and whether it's a layer you can even buy. Tap the cards on screen for the next one.